In this tutorial, I'll show you how to import data from Excel into ClickUp so you can move your spreadsheets into a fully organized workspace. Start by opening ClickUp and going to your dashboard. Then click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select Settings. Inside Settings, look at the left sidebar and click on Import Export. This is where you manage all data transfers. Now click on Import Items and from the available options choose Spreadsheet. This tells ClickUp you're importing from Excel. Next, select the team space where you want your data to go. This step is important because it decides where your tasks and lists will appear. After that, choose the correct date format that matches your Excel file. This ensures your deadlines and schedules are imported correctly. Now click Upload File and select your Excel spreadsheet. Once uploaded, ClickUp will start processing your file. Give it a moment, especially if your file is large. When processing is complete, click Continue, then select Import into ClickUp and finally click Complete. Once everything finishes, go back to your workspace and open the team space you selected. You'll see your imported data organized and ready to use. And that's it. You've successfully imported your Excel data into ClickUp.